If you're watching this and you've struggled with acne, you know the frustration, the embarrassment, the mirror staring back at you feeling hopeless. I've been there too. But today, I'm going to show you what actually worked for me, and why almost everyone makes one huge mistake that keeps acne coming back. Watch this entire video, and because if you follow these steps, your acne might never return. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Overwashing. Most people think scrubbing their face 2 or 3 times a day will help, but harsh washing destroys your skin barrier. Imagine your skin as a wall protecting you. Every harsh wash chips it away, and your pimples keep coming back. That tight, burning sensation? That's your skin crying for help. Mistake 2. Too many products. Using 5 different creams at the same time. Day 1, day 2, nothing works. You see others with glowing skin and feel frustrated. That's exactly what traps most people. Mistake 3. Popping pimples. I know it's tempting. I've done it too. But each pop leaves scars and prolongs acne. Acne isn't just about looks. It's about confidence. Mistake 4. Lifestyle. Late nights, stress, junk food, all fuel acne. I used to binge watch Netflix with chocolates thinking it wouldn't matter. My skin disagreed. The science behind acne. Acne isn't just dirt, it's inflammation, oil, bacteria, and clogged pores combined. Your skin barrier is the key. Damage it, and acne keeps coming back. I spent months hurting my skin thinking I was helping, just like many of you. Most expensive creams don't work because they don't fix the root cause. Understanding this changed everything for me. The 15-day transformation. I decided to try a simple, consistent routine for 15 days. No gimmicks, no fancy gadgets, just the basics done right. Routine steps. Gentle cleanser, morning and night. No scrubbing, just patting gently. Feels weird at first, but your skin calms down. Moisturizer, non-comedogenic. Moisturizer doesn't make you oily, it prevents dryness pimples. Sunscreen, daily, even indoors. Spot treatment, only on active pimples. Diet, more water, less sugar, more fruits. Sleep and stress, 7 to 8 hours sleep. Short walks or meditation. Consistency, no skipping days. Day-by-day experience. Day 1, frustrated pimples everywhere. Day 5, a small improvements. Finally some hope. Day 10, friends noticed, I felt proud. Day 15, my skin was almost perfect. It felt surreal. Extra tips. Niacinamide, vitamin C, SPF, gentle exfoliation once a week. Avoid touching face. Maintenance and prevention. Even after 15 days, maintaining clear skin is about habits. Wash gently, moisturize, SPF, sleep, reduce stress, eat healthy. Skip these and acne returns. I learned this the hard way. Balancing work, life, and skincare is tough, but small daily habits make the biggest difference. Call to action. Motivation. If you watch this full video and commit to these steps, your acne might finally stop. Comment, I'm ready. If you'll take the 15-day challenge. Like, subscribe, and share this with friends struggling with acne. Remember, your skin deserves this. You deserve this.